Hello everyone, myself Priya Bharti. Today, me and my twin teammates Shagam and God, we are here to discuss one of the most significant political events of 20th century, the Cold War. The Cold War was a long period of political tension, military rivalry, and ideological conflict between two global superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. This conflict began after 1947 up to 1991. The two nations had worked together to defeat Nazi Germany before, but their relationship deteriorated after the war ended. Main reason behind the Cold War was ideological differences. The United States believes in capitalism, democracy, free elections, and private properties, where the Soviet states believes in communism, in which the government controls the property and political powers was under one party. Both countries wanted to spread their ideology across the world. This created division in Europe and the other parts of the world. Countries were forced to choose sides, either supported the communist bloc led by the Union state or the capitalist bloc led by the Soviet state. This division marked the beginning of the tension that would last for more than 4 decades. The Cold War was not fought through direct military battles. It was instead fought through proxy wars, arms race, political influence, and technological competition. One of the earliest crises was Berlin blockade. In the Berlin blockade, the Soviet Union blocked the land access to Western, and in order to gain control. In response, the US decided to organize the Berlin Airmen, in which the supplies, essentials, and food to Berlin for almost a year. This event symbolized the growing unity with the Easterners. Another extremely dangerous moment was Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962. The Soviet Union placed nuclear missile in Cuba, just 90 miles away from the United States. For 13 tense days, the whole world was stood on the brink of nuclear war. Eventually, diplomatic negotiation helped to avoid a disaster. The Cold War also led to the formation of powerful military alliances. The United States and its allies formed NATO, whereas the Soviet Union created Warsaw Pact. These alliances also created tension in Europe. Another major aspect of the Cold War is the arms race, where both the countries developed nuclear weapons and competed to build more powerful bombs. This created a constant fear of nuclear destruction. Additionally, the Cold War is extended into Asia, Africa, and Latin America through proxy wars such as the Korean War and the Vietnam War, where both the superpowers supported the opposing sides. It also sparked the space race. In 1969, the United States landed astronauts on the moon, marking significant technological victory. Overall, the Cold War reshaped global politics and created long-lasting tension across the world. By the 1990s, the Soviet Union began facing serious economic and political problems. Maintaining military power and competing with the United States had weakened its economy. The Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev introduced two reforms: glasnost, meaning openness, and perestroika, meaning restructuring. These reforms aim to modernize the political system of Soviet Union, but it also led to its political instability. At the same time, many Eastern European countries started demanding independence from the Soviet. One of the symbolic movement was the fall of Berlin Wall, which represented the end of division in Europe. Finally, in 1991, the Soviet Union officially resolved into independent republic, and this marked the end of the Cold War, and the United States emerged as the sole superpower. In conclusion, the Cold War was not just political conflict. It shaped the modern world. It influenced the international relations, political alliances, modern strategies, global alliances, and even the culture. Even today,
Many global political tensions can be traced back to the Cold War periods. Thank you.